Hello, good people, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. This is Tracy. Kenya, Kaisha, has been telling me that she has something for me, and it's on the way, and be looking for it. She tried to get me to guess what it was, and I said, no. She's, pick a vowel, pick a vowel, pick a vowel. I picked a couple vowels, and I didn't want her to tell me. I wanted to be surprised. So she showed me the tracking number, and I looked at it and I saw the pounds were like 16 pounds, and I'm like, what are you trying to send me, a toddler? Seriously, what? So guess what? It came today. I'm going to open it right quick because I'm about to go out on the town to a little jazz club, but I wanted to open this because Kenya's been waiting on it, and so have I. So let me take you down right quick and open this big old box. What did I do to deserve this? Thank you, Kenya. Before I even open it, thank you. So we're going down here. Let's see. Gee whiz. Okay, make some room. Let me move some stuff out the way so I can open it up. Gracious goodness, Kenya. You are too kind, whatever this may be. Okay. Oh my God. Girl, stop playing with me. What? Kenya. Look, y'all. Oh my God. I got a cup press. Girl, stop it. Oh my God. Why did you do this? Oh, it is 16 pounds. Oh my God. What? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get it out the box. Kenya. Look at this. Beautiful. I can't wait. Okay. Girl. You gonna make me cry. Why did you do that? Thank you. Girl, thank you so much. So much appreciated. I gotta go, y'all. I'm gonna set this up later, tomorrow, and do some tumblers. Hot dog. I love y'all, man. I don't get it. But okay. Thank you. Peace, y'all. Peace. I'm really lost for words.